No, they're dirty, so yeah. I'm gonna take my shoes, and they have sorry. I'm good. I think we're good now. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna take my shoes and I think I'm allergic to my shoe. One more time. I'm gonna take my, God dang it. My phone went off. We're gonna take my shoe. Go to Walmart. Somewhere around here. I've got. I'm gonna take my shoe. 4th time now. Either somewhere around here or at Walmart. I've got some like the little. I'm really getting pissed now. Alright, I'm gonna go to Walmart. Take my shoe. I'm not taking my shoe to Walmart, but like right in here. Focus. Right in here. I'm gonna put like probably the same color as this on there and